tourism is life. And then when we talk about the tourism growth of Nigeria, we need to start from Nigeria. We should be the tourism ambassadors of our nation. We should be the tourism ambassador of our state. We should be the tourism ambassador of our home, our community, our local government alike. There is no local government in Nigeria that does not have positive tourism attraction site. And for what we are seeing today at the ratio the tourism growth in Nigeria is compared to other nationals, it means that Nigeria is growing higher. And we hope that as Nigeria is growing higher, we pray that let these things go straight to the local government, let it be drawn down to the state government level. We need the governors. All the 36 governors of Nigeria should come together, put hands, make sure that they develop every tourism attraction site located in their different states. The same way we are talking to the Minister of Tourism, Madam Jones, we are seeing what you are doing, you are trying. We'll support you to the extent we can. And we pray that you have more foresight to collaborate with different state governments that are into tourism production. We pray that you have that heart to collaborate with private personalities who are into tourism, because tourism is best driven by PPP. What I mean by PPP is public-private partnership at any level. So by the time we do all these things and work together, bring back our initiatives together, Nigerian tourism space, no country in this world will be 95% towards Nigeria. I pray that God will give us a leader who loves tourism and who will develop tourism and who will invest heavily in tourism, because tourism is capital intensive. So we pray that we'll get presidents, governors, and all of them who love tourism and adore tourism and project tourism, because we think tourism, we do tourism, we seek tourism, we eat tourism. There's no atom of lifestyle we live on a daily basis that does not involve tourism. So it simply means that tourism is life. Without tourism, there is no life. Thank you and God bless you. Woo!